It's April the 27th. It's a Monday evening. The time is 4:19 and it's 78 degrees outside. It's hot. We're gonna drive to St. Paul from Minneapolis. That's me. He's sitting in the back there eating his hot Takis and watching something on YouTube on his phone. We came here to Minneapolis now. We're gonna go back and he's gonna go skating. It's pretty hot. I don't know how that's gonna work, but he's gonna go skating. All right, our journey as we drive on 94 from Lake Street to Front Skate Park. Peace. Hopefully you're having a good day. Thanks for watching. Really smash the button and click the button below. Subscribe. Later on, I'll post a video of the what did you get? Unboxing of the toy he got. It's pretty cool. All right. Okay, we're gonna drive now to St. Paul. We have a validated ticket, but the little gate refused to open, but some guy was right there and he helped. I'm driving on Lake Street.
If someone's invisible, then and they bite you,
Yeah.
and since every human's warm-blooded, and you have heat goggles,
Yeah.
then you won't be able to be confused. So then, whenever they're biting you, they'll be like, "How can you see me?"
Oh.
They can see you, but you can't see it. Daddy, do you know what a biter is?
There's a lot of construction here on Lake Street. So the entire one side is closed. So we are using two-way on one side. lot of Hispanic stores here, Mexican and stuff. He's gonna tell you a joke.
Why would you say that out loud? Guys, he's actually kidding. I'm not gonna tell you a joke. We're actually in Wisconsin where my grandma lives.
Actually, that's a lie. We're in Minneapolis.
I was trying to joke. You just messed up my joke.
Okay, sorry. That was his joke. I apologize, guys. Range Rover. Sorry, that was a joke. He said we're in Wisconsin. I take it back. We're still on Lake Street. Gonna be here for a while. They have a nice buffet place. It's called teppanyaki. It's Japanese buffet. I don't like buffets, but they have good food. Not advertising. I see the train over there going to the mall and the airport. There's a train up there. Overpass. Now we are getting close to St. Paul, still on Lake Street. We're on the west side of Lake Street. Now we are on the east side of Lake Street. I just passed the place where I pay rent. Mississippi River will be coming up here. When we cross the bridge, then we'll be in St. Paul. 79 degrees outside, hot. I just saw Dairy Queen is open and people are lining up outside to get some stuff, ice cream. When we pass this light here, that will be the bridge, Mississippi River. We're on the bridge here. We just crossed Mississippi River. Now we are in St. Paul. Going at 30. So there isn't anything much here to see. I'm gonna turn here. Then we're gonna go to 94 because it's faster. This is Cretin Avenue.
distancing.
I'm gonna go to 94 East here. Go all the way to Dale, and then the front skate park. We're back on 94 here. Even though this time is when you find a lot of traffic, but there isn't much traffic right now because most people are still not working yet. We're in Midway, St. Paul. Oh, Dale Street is closed, so we exit here. He just gave a homeless guy $1, which is pretty cool.
And he looks sick.
Yeah, he looks sick, he looks tired, he looks like drunk, I don't know. I'm not judging, but he just looks sick. It's pretty dirty, but he just got $1.
They didn't need to know all that.
Yeah, true. Now we're in Midway. Should be a skate park pretty shortly here. Okay, we should be at front skate park in less than 2 minutes. Let's see how many people they have over there on a hot Monday. Yeah, I see some. I have a few people. There is a park. I have a few people. Alright, we got here safely.